Can one toothbrush save your smile and the planet? Let SURI show you how. Have you ever thought about how much waste your toothbrush generates or how ineffective manual brushing can be? Every year, billions of toothbrushes end up in landfills, while many electric options come with clunky designs and short lifespans. Worse yet, traditional brushes struggle to keep plaque, stains, and gum sensitivity in check. You deserve better, something that's gentle on your gums, powerful against plaque, and kind to the earth. The question is, can you find a toothbrush that does it all? Enter SURI, the revolutionary electric toothbrush designed for modern smiles and a cleaner planet. SURI isn't your typical toothbrush, it's a breakthrough in oral care. Powered by 33,000 sonic vibrations per minute, this dentist-approved marvel removes 5 times more plaque than manual brushing. Designed with medium soft bristles that are tough on stains but gentle on sensitive gums, it ensures your teeth are left sparkling clean after just one use. Need more precision? The sensitivity mode customizes your brushing experience for extra care. With its slim, ergonomic aluminum body, SURI combines powerful performance with sleek aesthetics, proving that good things come in compact, stylish packages. The toothbrush industry has long ignored its environmental impact, until now. SURI's plant-based, recyclable brush heads are made from renewable cornstarch and castor oil, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional plastics. And when you're done with a brush head, SURI recycles it for free. Built with longevity in mind, the aluminum body is reparable, reducing waste over time. The UV cleaning travel case not only charges your brush, but also eliminates 99.9% of bacteria, keeping hygiene at its peak wherever you go. With SURI, you're not just brushing better, you're brushing smarter for the planet. Life's too short for high-maintenance gadgets. That's why SURI's 40-day battery life keeps up with your busy schedule, requiring just one monthly charge. The USB Pebble charger ensures a quick, efficient recharge without bulky adapters. Waterproof and shower-friendly, it adapts seamlessly to your routine, whether you're brushing on the go or in the comfort of your home. Compact enough to fit in your travel bag yet powerful enough to deliver a professional-grade clean, SURI is designed for convenience without compromise. Why settle for mediocrity when SURI offers a premium solution for your oral care? Engineered to deliver long-lasting performance, it's an investment in healthier teeth, stronger gums, and a cleaner planet. Customers rave about its ability to whiten teeth, improve gum health, and enhance their brushing experience. By combining cutting-edge technology with eco-conscious design, SURI proves that sustainability and effectiveness can go hand in hand. It's not just a toothbrush, it's a revolution for your smile and a statement for the future. Ready to join the quest for better brushing? Let SURI lead the way.